Hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to change a headlight bulb on a MK5 Jetta TDI. This is a 2005 and a half. So the first thing you need to do is pop your hood. And these bulbs are pretty easy to access. You got two different, your highs and your lows right here. So what I've actually got is a old headlamp here, so we can actually see what's going on. Just set them right in here. So the outside here, which would be over here, you just twist that cap off, pull it off, and then you've got this right here. These both take H7s. I'm gonna have a link to H7 bulbs on Amazon down in the description if you're interested in buying them there. These just pull off, pull out of here, and then you can stick the new one in there. Try not to touch the bulb with your fingers. The oils get on the bulb and or supposedly lower the life of the bulb. And then you just stick it back in there and twist it in like that. It kind of snaps and locks in place. This one is a little bit different. So what you're going to end up doing is pushing this wire down and push it. Actually, first, sorry, before you take the wire off, you wiggle this here and pull this off. There we go. And then you've unattached your pigtail, push down and over, and then that wire comes up and you can pull the bulb right out. Put your new one in, push your wire down and over again so that it goes over top of those clips right there, and then you just plug your pigtail back in like that. So hopefully that gives you a better idea of what's going on there and how to change those bulbs. If this video was helpful, hit that thumbs up button. Think about subscribing. Thanks.